Hello everyone, we're at the Wynn Resort here in Las Vegas on the 30th floor, room 47. And here we go. All you gotta do is wave that thing. There we go. Room 3047. Here we go. Alright. Nice floor there. And the room here is adjoining rooms. Let's check out the bathroom here. One of the cool things about it is it's a touch button. Lights on and off. It even got a night light too. Ah, there we go. A separate shower tub. Huge tub there. Soap containers here. Oh, or shampoo, conditioner, body wash rather. Nice. Got his and her sinks. That's all my stuff. You got some washcloths and hand towels there. Nice stool there. Oh, you even got a nice TV too. Little, I'm guessing a 12-inch. So you can either listen to music or watch TV while you're getting ready. That's pretty cool. You even got your own separate toilet or water closet. It's very nice. Nice artwork, by the way. Okay, all you gotta do is touch it. There we go. Just touch it like so. And the lights off. It's cool that it's pretty cool that they have a nightlight for hand towels. Oh, you got a hair dryer in there too, by the way. Nice huge mirror. One can check themselves out before hitting the Las Vegas Strip or wherever they wish to go. Nice sized closet. Got your iron here. You got more linens and the like. Closet space and an in-room safe there. Roll Tide, by the way. Pretty good amount of storage space there. There you go, because that's for the lights. Let's keep them low, shall we? Keep them low for the moment. Okay, here's another cool thing about it. You got your little panel there. If you want to do like lights, drapes, and all that, and all you gotta do is close. Got a phone right next to the bed. As you can see, it's got like separate buttons. Wake up call, housekeeping bell desk, restaurant, in-room dining, and the like. That'll hook you right up. Big, huge bed. So nice and comfy. Nice and soft. King size. I'll tell you, even the linens are top notch. That is what I'm talking about. Over here on this other nightstand, you can plug your iPhone or iPad. Alarm clock. Super, super nice. Some more beautiful artwork there. Leather couch. Oh, so super soft, buttery soft. Okay. You got your TV and ice bucket in your mini bar. Getting the lights. Getting the lights up. There we go. Sorry about that. And this thing right here, if you want to watch TV from the bed, look at that. Swivels. There you go. You can either watch it on a soft leather couch, or you can watch from your bed. I mean, it's a win-win situation, I guess you could say. Oh, and there's the mini bar. They're not complimentary, of course. Got a lot of cookies. Got a lot of cookies, gummy bears, candies, water, potato chips, and other items. Gosh golly. I don't know if you can see those prices. Wow. Oh, and here's the refreshment center. Oh, here we are. Don't worry, I ain't taking nothing out. All right. There you have it. Nice marble. Yeah, marble. Got two chairs, nice little sitting area here. Got another phone. Also has some more dedicated buttons if you want to call the concierge, in-room dining, nightclub, show reservations, etc., etc., all you gotta do is pick up and hit the button. That's all you gotta do. There's also a charger there. As you can see, I'm charging my iPad here. Oh, I almost forgot. Got your own Alexa over here. Alexa, please open the drapes and the shears.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, open the curtains.
Okay.
Alexa, open the shears.
Okay.
Thank you, Alexa. Time for the grand finale. Floor-to-ceiling windows. A very, very fabulous view here. My goodness. You can see just about everything. You can see the Palazzo, the world's largest Ferris wheel, the high roller. You can even see Mandalay. You can see Caesars, Mirage, Treasure Island. Got the CVS Walgreens here, and they also have one at between the Venetian Palazzo too. Oh, check it out. Gorgeous. I got a nice overview of this. Sorry, it took me a little bit. Here we go. All right, that is what I'm talking about. But forgot to mention, also got another little panel right here. This is for the lights. All off, low, and all on. There we go. Hey, I'll show this to you again. Da, da, da. Everybody loves a good strip view. Oh yes. Thank y'all for watching.